Hey guys, welcome back to my Blender tutorial.
Tutorial.
With everyone here in this Discord chat. So first off, we're going to make a new project, and we're going to delete everything in, and then we're going to add an icosphere and just make that nice and big. We're going to hit the sculpting tab up here, and we're going to get this brush, and we're just going to do that, but don't forget to turn on dynamic topo, and under the symmetry tab here make sure there's nothing selected like that. So now we can just stop playing music. I'm doing a
It's copyright free.
Is it?
Yes.
Okay. Right. So now just start making a lip for your island. That's pretty nice. And then just start making it come down to a single point here. Is this seriously the best music you could find?
I played copyright-free music playlist 2020.
Okay. So
Just go
next,
on, you're doing great, sweetie.
Next, I mean, it's just one island. We might want to smooth it. It's the smooth brush here. Just smooth that nice, and smooth that here. There we go. That looks quite nice, doesn't it? Then now we're going to create a second thing, because just having one's a bit boring. So we're going to create a second one here. And this.
I can't even do it.
Stop talking over my tutorial. I'm gonna get 3 million subscribers with this.
5 quid subscribers.
Right.
Come on, you'll be fine, Nikki, without speaking for a while. We can all do it. Continue
Okay,
on.
just make it and smooth it. If it looks ugly, just use the smooth modifier. It's like cooking. If it doesn't taste good, just add a bunch of ketchup. And don't swear. Don't swear on my YouTube channel. Oh, now it's going to be demonetized. I was going to become a millionaire.
That's a dream is a journey. Yes, that's what I wanted to say.
No, Dream is a
Go on.
Minecraft cheater.
Yes, Cheeto. Okay.
Okay,
What's this?
so now we've got this basic shape. Looks pretty nice. We can now go into the edit mode by pressing tab, and it's pretty good, because what you can do is you can click to deselect everything. Just make sure you don't click on one of the vertices. That's important. Then press C and you get this thing, and you can increase the size or decrease it by using the scroll wheel, and just select things by clicking down on this, and you can select all of that. There you go. Now press Z, press S, press Z, press 0. Very nice. But don't do that, because I forgot a step. Press O, and you'll see this turns on this thing here. Make sure this is blue. Hit connected only, and make sure it's selected smooth. Now you press S, press Z, press 0, and you can change the size that affects here. I think this is a nice size. And then we can do this here, do it again, C, left click, SZ0, there. Now press O again to deselect it, and we'll go back into sculpting mode by pressing tab, and we'll just smooth off the corners here. So that looks very nice. Yeah. All very pretty. Now we go into the layout bit. We click this blue wrench here, we add a modifier, we add the decimate modifier, we hit collapse, but we don't actually do that, because first we add the subsurf modifier Yeah, and we do that there. Okay. And then we add the decimate modifier. Then we add the decimate modifier. Then we add the triangulate modifier. Then we add the smooth modifier. So what this is going to do is very simple. Make sure these are both set to 1. And then make sure this is collapse here. And just set it to something so it looks quite nice. That's bad. We don't want it to look like that. Look at, yeah, that's nice. That's a nice number of triangles.
Nikki, I found fucking nickel.
Stop! Stop playing Minecraft whilst I'm doing my Blender tutorial.
It's all the same. Alright, go on.
Okay, and now we
Really
do
nice.
hit planar here. Just leave it there. And these we can leave the same. It all looks good. If there are any things that you don't like, just go into sculpting mode again and select this smooth tool here and just click on the vertex that you don't like and it will shift that about for you and we can change it there. So that's just if there are any anomalies, like here, that doesn't look very nice. So just change that, there we go. So that's my Minecraft no, that's my Blender tutorial if I had to make an island. Looks pretty nice, right? Now let's add some grass in episode 2. But for now, see ya.
And thanks for watching. You forgot the thankies.
Yes, I'm still
Yay.
recording.